Hello, beautiful souls. It's your girl Rabia, and welcome back to Rabia Unfolded. Today, we're making a creamy, comforting, and flavorful garlic chicken Tuscan with fresh cherry tomatoes, tender spinach, and a rich Parmesan cream sauce. And if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my delicious homemade recipes which comes up every Wednesdays. Thank you. Here are all the ingredients I'll be using today, and for full details and exact measurements, make sure to check out the description box below. Let's get started by prepping our chicken the right way. I start by placing my chicken breast in a clean bowl at the sink. And then, I squeeze a slice of lemon over them to make them fresh and clean. After that, I rinse them gently and place them on a wooden chopping board. Next, I use some paper towel to pat the chicken dry. This is important so the seasoning sits well and the chicken sears perfectly. I place the chicken in a nice bowl for marination. I sprinkle in my dried herbs, a pinch of ground white pepper, making sure it touches every piece of chicken, followed by ground black pepper, a little salt, and one crush of Maggi cube for that deep savory flavor. I finished with some dried Italian seasoning and gave it a good mix so every part of the chicken is coated evenly. Once everything is well combined, I set the chicken aside to let the flavors meld together. While the chicken marinates, I prep my cherry tomatoes by removing them from their stems, giving them a quick rinse, and slicing them in halves before placing them in a clean bowl. Next, I wash my fresh spinach thoroughly, making sure there's no sand or grit, and lay it on a paper towel on a wooden chopping board so the towel can absorb any excess water. Once everything is prepped, I set the tomatoes and spinach aside. Now it's time to cook a marinated chicken. I place a pan on the stove to heat, and once it's nice and hot, I pour in a little extra virgin olive oil. I carefully add the chicken breast and let them cook over medium-low heat, which ensures they perfectly cook all the way through. Once the first side is golden brown, I flip it gently to the other side, still on low heat, letting it sear beautifully. To prevent oil from splashing, I cover the pan with a splatter screen. Once both sides have a lovely golden crust, I remove the chicken and place it on a clean tray, ready for the next step. In the same pan, I pour in a little more extra virgin olive oil and let it heat. Once hot, I crush in fresh garlic, removing any excess from the crusher, and stir gently. While the garlic cooks, I add the half cherry tomatoes, cooking them until they're soft and their skin starts to flake. I season with crushed Maggi, a pinch of ground white pepper, a dash of cayenne for a gentle kick, and some dried Italian herbs, giving everything a good mix. Once the tomatoes are ready, I add the fresh spinach and stir it gently until it wilts. Then comes the creamy magic. I pour in the whipped cream and stir until the sauce turns that beautiful creamy color. I add shredded Parmesan cheese and stir gently until it melts into the sauce. I test and adjust with a little more Italian seasoning, making sure the flavors are perfect. Finally, I return the seared chicken to the pan, gently pouring the sauce over it until it's completely coated. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens everything. And now a creamy, flavorful garlic chicken Tuscan is ready. With our sauce ready, it's time to cook the pasta. I take a beautiful transparent pot and fill it with water, placing it on the stove to boil. Once the water is rolling and bubbling nicely, I add in the pasta, a pinch of salt, and a splash of extra virgin olive oil. I cover the pot and let the pasta cook until it's perfectly tender. Once ready, I strain the pasta in a colander, carefully saving some of the pasta water for later to help lighten the sauce if it gets too thick. I then run cold water over the pasta to cool it nicely and set it aside. To the creamy chicken Tuscan sauce, I add a little of the reserved pasta water and give it a good stir. Once everything is well combined and bubbling gently, it's time to serve. I take a beautiful tray and place a scoop of pasta on one side. Then add 2 slices of seared chicken breast and gently spoon the creamy sauce over the top. Just look at how gorgeous this plate looks. To finish, I garnish the pasta with fresh parsley leaves from my garden for that perfect touch of color and freshness. Now it's time to try this creamy deliciousness. I scoop a bit onto my spoon, and the first bite is just heavenly. The cream and Parmesan cheese blend perfectly with the tender chicken and pasta. It's rich, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible. This tastes so good, so comforting, that I want everyone to try it. To wash it down and enjoy fully, I pour myself a glass of chilled Roscato and take a refreshing sip. Oh, how satisfying, filling, and utterly delicious this meal is. Remember, beautiful souls, every meal we create is more than just food. It's love, care, and joy shared with yourself and those around you. Taking the time to cook something special is also a reminder to slow down, appreciate the little moments, and nourish not just your body, but your soul. If you enjoyed this creamy, comforting dish, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and share it with someone you love. And of course, subscribe to Rabia Unfolded and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment with me. Keep cooking with love, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Cheers.